Hi, my name is Grant McDonald. I'm Director of Financial Crime Market Engagement. This is how Experian is transforming the industry's approach to financial crime automation. UK banks are still trapped in an endless cycle of remediation activity. It's not uncommon for Tier 1 banks to spend excess of £100 million each on remediation effort. And we know from many banks and financial services, financial crime is their highest operational cost. To help the industry, Experian has created an industry paper that breaks down a step-by-step process to help you transition from costly periodic reviews to much more efficient, event-driven reviews, commonly known in the industry as perpetual KYC. And there are 6 key steps. So step 1, it's so important that you understand the data that you have within your own estate. So what historic KYC evaluations have you made? What products are your customers buying from you? How is it they're using those products, and what channels did they buy those products through? Secondly, you need to make sure you've got solid data foundations. A financial crime single customer view is going to be absolutely key. And perhaps the most important point is you need to make sure the data is clean upstream. If the data is not clean, it's going to impede our ability to enrich the data, and that will only lead to unnecessary customer outreach. The third step is all about data enrichment. At Experian, we are advocating the need for multi-sourced data corroboration, really not relying on a single version of the truth. Step 4 is compare. At this point, you can see how that customer has presented themselves to you and how they're presenting themselves to other third-party data sources. You can start to understand, is there an alignment or is there inconsistencies? Step 5 describes the adoption of a configurable rules engine. We recognise that the regulatory landscape is forever changing, and it's really important that you can define, implement and change your customer risk assessment in a manner that's really agile. Step 6 is where you can really start to refresh the data, and that's why the configurable rules engine is so important, because you don't want to be performing customer outreach every single time there's a data change. You want to understand the materiality of that data change, and only where it has a derogatory impact on that customer risk assessment do you really need to go and investigate that further. So if you'd like to understand more about our step-by-step process to help you transition from costly periodic reviews to event-driven reviews, you can click on the link below and read our industry paper.